Hello mga ka-UVJ ako ulit. So, pasensya na akong late. Pero at least eto na ako ulit. So, tingnan natin. May nasikaso lang akong importanteng bagay. Kaya medyo absent ng matagal. So, tingnan natin Virgo kung anong ganap sa'yo. Anong ganap kay Virgo? Pasensya na po kayo sa background ha. Kung may mga naririnig man kayo sa background. Pasensya lang. So, tingnan natin. Maraming salamat po sa mga new subscriber natin dyan. Thank you so much po. Stay connected tayo. So, sa mga nag-comment, maraming salamat po. So, tingnan natin Virgo kung anong ganap sa'yo. Sana naman ay naririnig. Meron kang tower Virgo. Meron kang unexpected dito. Expect the unexpected Virgo. So, tingnan natin. Mhm. Nine of Cups, Nine of Water, at saka Tower card Virgo. Sana naman ay naririnig ako Sana naman ay naririnig tayo dyan. So, tingnan natin. Messenger of air. So, meron kang water sign at saka air sign. So, Virgo, tingnan natin bottom of the deck. Meron kang transformation. Mukhang malabo yata camera ko. Pero sige lang, tuloy lang. Tingnan natin kung ano ang kalabasan nito, Virgo. Para sa akin, itong 3 cards na to, merong unexpected communication dito, Virgo. Hindi ko alam kung ikaw mag-a-approach ng communication or yung taong connected sa'yo, maaring ikaw or taong nasa environment mo. But I think this is very unexpected, Virgo. Hindi ko alam kung sino sa'yo yan, pero it brings transformation. Definitely. Okay. Once na ang communication na to is mag-take place, hindi ko alam kung naganap na, magaganap pa lang, or kasalukuyang nagaganap, Virgo. Tingnan natin kung ano ang clarification ng Tower card. Clarify the Tower card, please, for my Virgo. Merong communication dito coming in, Virgo. It requires transformation, Virgo. So, tingnan natin kung clarify natin each card. Parang ang hina ng resolution ng video ko. Para bagangasan ba ako? Hindi ko na set up to sa HD eh. So, tingnan natin. Clarify the Tower card. Queen of Pentacles. So, Virgo. Hindi ko alam kung energy mo to, Virgo. Ikaw ang mag-initiate ng communication or maybe someone around you or basta expect the unexpected with this person, Virgo. It requires transformation, big time. Tsaka ano to, fast movement to para sa akin with the Knight of Swords. Involved dito ang finances, Virgo. Hindi ko alam kung partnership to, new job, we'll see. Dami naman, pero nagpop up ang Ten of Swords, Two of Cups, tsaka Ace of Pentacles. Ano ko na lang kaya, bubunot na lang ako kasi para ano, natin. Two of Cups, Ace of Pentacles. So Virgo, sa nakikita ko dito, merong communication coming in regarding sa person na gustong makipag-partnership sa iyo. Finances involved. Finances is involved, what I mean. So, malaking ano to, Virgo, malaking transformation with the bottom of the deck. 11 card. 13, what I mean. 3 plus 1, 4. So, it's all about stability, Virgo. So, merong isang person dito na mag-i-stabilize sa'yo or maybe you are already baka stabilize ka na or establish ka na Or for some of you, mga Virgos na hindi pa stabilized when it regards to finances, merong communication coming in, pero it involves finances and partnership, Virgo. I think if this is the person from the past, um, expect some communication with this person. This person is waiting for you, Virgo. May naghihintay sa'yo dito. Two of Cups, I think. Hindi ko alam kung i-confirm ko. Confirm if this is a new person or past person for my Virgo place. New person or past person. Kung new person man to Virgo na ah kung new person to Virgo, merong sudden ano, parang ah parang nakilala niyo ng isa't isa before. May mga familiarities dito with the Two of Cups. Okay, parehas kayo ng goal dito when it regards to finances, parehas kayo ng basta marami kayong similarity. If this is a new person, okay, and this person is just like waiting around, okay, with the Seven of Pentacles. But at the same time, may mga investment din tong person na to. Hindi ko alam kung alam mo or malalaman mo pa lang that this person is investing on something. Clarify the Seven of Pentacles, Seven of Cups. Or maybe, Virgo, merong isang person dito, if this is a past person, Virgo, naghihintay tong person na to sa'yo, and I think meron na kayong equal give and take dito with the Two of Cups, at saka nag-shared na kayo ng maybe, um, um, tawag niyan, nagsama na kayo nito before with the Seven of Pentacles, nandun na yung investment energetically, financially, nag-share na kayo ng memories dito, but with the Seven of Cups, both of you are confusing. Confused ang isa't isa sa inyo. Hindi ko alam kung merong separation na naganap dito with the Tower card, kasi ang Tower card represent ng expect the unexpected, false foundation, which means kailangan ng reconstruction or reboot, or you know what I mean, Virgo. Kung meron man separation na nangyari sa'yo between the past person, Virgo, this person is confused but still waiting. Yun ang nakikita ko dito. Gusto niya mag-offer ng new partnership dito, new beginning, finances, working together. Yun ang nakikita ko dito, Virgo, sa first row. If this is a new person, this person is going to offer you some um, job, I think. If this is not a job, Virgo, this person, makikitaan kanya ng potential dito, Virgo, na capable ka gawin yung, di ko lang alam kung if this is a boss person or entrepreneurial person. But with the Justice card, I think this is your karma, Virgo. If this is a new person, this new person will give you stability, Virgo. Yun lang ang masasabi ko dito. Opportunity. Kung merong closed doors, merong mag-o-open na panibago. If this is a new person, okay, very unexpected, Virgo, out of nowhere, makaka-receive ka ng message dito, and then all of a sudden, I think, magkakaroon ka ng, mag-i-invest ka ng time dito, mag-i-invest ka ng, basta mag-i-invest ka energetically, tapos, parang feeling ko with the Seven of Cups, marami kang option, actually, iisa-isahin mo siya, okay, iisa-isahin mo yung option dito or opportunity na puwedeng ibigay sa'yo ng person na 'to, if this is a new person, okay. And this new person, feeling compatible siya sa'yo, okay. The same way, mafe-feel mo din na compatible ka din sa kanya, you know what I mean? Kasi ang Virgo sometimes is skeptical pagdating sa situation, okay, based on their experience. But there is some communication here, Virgo, new person or past person, nagre-require sila ng bagong simula at saka stability, working together, you know what I mean, Virgo? With the Justice card, Virgo, I think it requires a big transformation here. Okay. Okay, Virgo. So, yun ang nakikita ko sa first row. Tingnan natin sa second row, Virgo. Bahala kayo, Virgo, kung saan kayo mag-fit in. Okay. Just take how it's resonate, Virgo. Hayaan mo kung hindi resonate sa'yo. So, with the Two of Swords, Virgo, Nine of Water and the Two of Swords. Nasa crossroad ka, Virgo. Hindi ko alam kung ikaw ang nasa crossroad or taong connected sa'yo. Basta nasa crossroad ka dito, I think ikaw. With the Nine of Cups, this is a wish fulfillment, Virgo, desires, goals, bucket list mo, Virgo. But as I said, skeptical ka on something. Nasa crossroad ka kasi, hindi ko alam kung anong tatahakin mong daan. Blindfolded ka kasi. Sa nakikita ko dito with the Two of Swords. Kung may pinagdadaanan ka man ngayon, Virgo, gusto mong i-decipher yung sitwasyon kung saan ka lalagay. Okay, with the Ten of Wands. Wala na pong 11 sa tarot, so 10 this is sagara na hit rock bottom, multitasking para sa akin. So, para ma-reach lang ang goal or desires mo dito, Virgo, but at the same time, nasa crossroad ka if you are willing to drop all of the burdens dito, Virgo, in order for you to get what you want. Okay. So, tingnan natin. Clarify more. Clarify more the Two of Swords and the Ten of Wands for my Virgo. Six of Pentacles. And the Six of Swords. Wow. Virgo, meron kang travel dito. And at the same time, you are giving all of your resources. I think, hindi ko man sinabing finances, but at the same time, energetically, yung time mo, yung effort mo, you know what I mean? And I think, ano ka na dito, kahit heavily burden ka na. That's why you are on the crossroad, Virgo. If you are trying to move into calmer water with someone or with, I don't know kung sino ang connected sa'yo, para sa akin ito, moving into calmer water, let's just say peace of mind, Virgo. Okay. So, sa nakikita ko dito, nagmumultitask ka. Hindi ko alam kung gusto mong i-drop all of the burdens all at once, Virgo. Pero, ang pagiging giver mo is nandun pa rin. Kung makikita mo yung scale ng Six of Pentacles dito is just like, hindi, binabalance things out mo dito. Yung sarili mo, yung time mo, yung resources mo, yung effort mo dito, Virgo. Okay, kasi alam mong maraming nangangailangan ng time mo dito at maraming nangangailangan ng, I don't know, maybe tulong or hindi man lang tulong or presence mo. You know what I mean, Virgo? But meron ka kasi ditong goal ng sa'yo. Hindi ko alam kung, kumbaga yung feeling na hindi mo alam kung uunahin mo yung sarili mong goal pero iniisip mo pangkalahatan naman at makikinabang naman sila at the end of the day. But at the same time, physically, I think, nag-iisip ka talaga dito, Virgo. Okay. With the Ten of Wands, heavily burdened. Di ko alam kung gusto mong with the Nine of Swords, sleepless nights, anxiety, Virgo. So, nag-overthink ka na, natitrigger na dito yung ano mo, overthinking mode. So, let's see. Clarify more. Wow, with the Empress card. Ang Empress card is hindi siya naghahanap ng ibang validation kundi sarili niya lang. So Virgo, nasa crossroad ka. Take how it's resonate, Virgo, in the second row. Tsaka sa first row, bahala kayo dyan kung saan kayo lalapag. Pero masasabi ko lang, pag lumabas ang Empress card, you know what you want, Virgo. So, kung ano man ang sinasabi ng intuition mo, go for it. Pero ang I think, nagbabalance ka dito ng situation eh. Meron kang binabalanse dito. Pero meron kang gustong ibang mangyari. Pero naka-blindfolded ka. Pero kita mo na, ramdam mo na kasi ang Empress is very empathic. Empress card is like, she knows what she wants, he knows what he wants. Wala po tayong gender sa energy. So, kung lalaki ka man nanonood nito, ini-embody mo ang energy ng Empress. Very understanding, compassionate. Pero, yun ang nakikita ko dito. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ka nakasa crossroad ka to the fact na baka iniisip mo kung anong unahin mo ang sarili mong goals, pero iniisip mo makaka-benefits naman sila in the long run. Or mag stay ka because of the presence na nire-required ng taong nasa palibot mo. Meron ka nga, nagbabalance ka nga dito eh. Okay, so meron din akong travel nakikita, Virgo. So yun lang nakikita ko sa second row. Okay, so tingnan natin kung ano ang messenger of air. Merong unexpected communication dito, Virgo. It requires big transformation. Nasa iyo ang Ace of Pentacles dito. At saka with the Justice card, this is your karma card, Virgo. So, let's see. Knight of Wands. Nine of Wands, competition card, the Hangman, Star card. Okay. So, Virgo, pay attention sa message na darating sa'yo kasi hindi ko lang alam kung the same person dito sa first row na mag-a-approach ay I think multiple person ang magkakaroon ng communication dito. Merong isang bottom of the deck natin is Four of Pentacles. Meron ditong nag-hold on. Okay. Pero ipapaliwanag ko muna tong third row. So, meron kang message coming in Virgo. Be careful with this person kasi stuck to sa yung person na to eh. Very conflicted siya sa sarili niya. Hindi ko alam kung ikaw ang conflicted sa sarili mo, Virgo, o merong isang person dito na very conflicted with the hangman. Stuck to sa'yo. Stuck to sa'yo, tapos actually pumasok siya sa sitwasyon na hindi niya kayang alisan. I don't know if this is you, Virgo, or maybe this is the other person. Pero meron ditong conflicted sa sarili niya, okay? And then, merong communication na magka-coming in. Siguro ang akala niya, hindi ko alam kung makaka-receive ka ng explanation na mahaba, messages, through messages or through call, Virgo, na ang akala niya makaka-heal sa sitwasyon pero pinasok niya yung sitwasyon na alam niyang um, hindi niya alam kung paano niya alisan. Clarify more. Four of Cups. Merong feeling rejected dito, Virgo. Hindi ko alam kung ikaw ang feeling rejected or maybe the person that you are dealing with. Meron ditong feeling rejected. Tapos ang akala siguro niya, mahihil ang situation but it's not what you think it is. Hindi na mahihil ang situation dito, Virgo. Yun ang nakikita ko, the star card na hangman, na stuck ka lang or maybe someone is na stuck lang. Na siguro trying to fix everything or trying to fix something but at the end of the day, stuck lang ang dating. Stuck physically, mentally, emotionally. Yun ang nakita ko dito, Virgo. With the Nine of Pentacles, Virgo, someone is desiring to be alone or someone is desiring to be with, may nagdi-desire dito na mapag-isa. Kasi with the Nine of Pentacles, this is my single card. This is my independent card. Can pay your own bills, can do your own shits. Ang nakikita ko dito, Virgo, pero someone is holding on into the situation. Hindi ko alam kung meron kang tinatry dito na ayusin with the star card. Naging conflicted lang, gumulo. Hindi ko alam kung i-communicate mo to or someone is going to communicate sa'yo para regarding sa situation na to na pinasok niya or na pinasok mo. Basta meron ditong communication coming in about sa pinasok na sitwasyon na nahirapan ng alisan, Virgo. So, yun ang nakikita ko. Tingnan natin kung anong advice. Take how it's resonate, Virgo. Bahala kayo kung saan kayo lalapag sa tatlong cards na yan. So, tingnan natin kung anong advice. Be bold and make the first move, Virgo. Meron ditong kailangan mo mag-take action. As I said, sa second row, meron kang goals and dreams dito. Meron kang bucket list dito, but at the same time, with the Six of Pentacles, ang generosity mo ay umiiral. Pero nakikita mo na kung ano magiging sitwasyon mo. Nasa crossroad ka lang kung i-drop mo ang all of the burdens, responsibility all at once kasi susundin mo kung ano man yung dapat mong gawin, Virgo. Meron kailangan ng travel dito. Yun ang nakikita ko. So, choose wisely, Virgo. I know you will. Kasi meron kang Empress card. Possess mo ang Empress card, Virgo. Ang Empress card hindi kailangan ng validation ng kahit kanino. Nagmo-move siya ng sa kanya lang. So, the energy is gaining momentum, Virgo, definitely. At saka, don't let your past hold you back. So, kung meron ka mang na-stackan na situation dito, it's time to move, Virgo. With the Hangman card, I think it's not gonna heal. Very conflicted ang sitwasyon. Itinatry mong i-heal but it's not gonna happen, Virgo. Maybe temporarily, but in reality, it's not. I think at the end of the day naiisip mo pa rin na maging alone dito kasi mas okay ka dito kung ano ka, alone. Yun ang nakikita ko dito. Rejection is protection anyway. Hindi ko alam kung ikaw ang nang-reject. Pero, ang labo, lumalabo yung video ko na yan. Yan, sorry. Okay, yun lang nakikita ko dito, Virgo. So, yun ang advice ay dito. Bahala ka kung saan ka lalapag dyan. Just don't let your past hold you back, Virgo, sa mga goals and desires mo. Okay. Be bold and make the first move, Virgo. Nasa sa'yo ang susi. Ikaw ang gagalaw dito. Ikaw ang driver dito. So, think positive, Virgo. The energy is gaining momentum, definitely. Bakit? Kasi yung feelings mo is gonna blow. Like, what I mean is magiging more, energetically at saka motivated. A personal issues reaches resolution. So, marami kang malalaman or madidiscover dito regarding sa sarili mo, Virgo. So, yeah, yun lang masasabi ko. Tingnan natin kung anong angel message number sa'yo, Virgo. Google mo siya. Tingnan natin. Angel message for my Virgo, please. Meron kang 7, 10, 7, 10 at saka 7. So, Virgo, paki-google na lang. Tingnan mo kung anong message sa'yo dyan. Angel message number 710 7. So, yeah, baka makaresonate sa sitwasyon mo. So, that's what I have for you now, Virgo. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching, Virgo. And bye for now.